Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be showing you what I'm using for my PC build. So this is the PC that I'm going to be using for the video editing and gaming and all that, but here it goes. Alright, as you can see, I have a Hyper 212 Evo, and that's for the CPU cooler. I have a 600 watt Evga, and I have a Krait Gaming 3X Z170A motherboard, which supports SLI, and then I don't have anything special, but it's a Radeon RX 460, 4GB GD. You get the picture. GD. I can't even say it. GD. Well, anyways, that's gonna be my PC build. Yeah, so when I get everything ready and stuff, it should be good, and then we can start doing some videos.